One thing I truly love about myself is that no matter how others have treated me, I still care deeply. Even when I'm hurt, tired, or going through a hard time, I don't stop being kind. I still show love, give support, and treat people with a good heart. I never let challenges change who I am. I still believe in love, in goodness, and in staying true to myself. My heart stays full of love no matter what. That's something special, and no one can ever take that away from me.